What's up YouTube, JL Fulks from Road Angler TV. Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm doing my very first reaction video on this channel. I recently started doing reaction videos on my artist channel where I would react to music videos and different songs, more musical stuff. And I thought it'd be cool to do some reaction videos on this channel as well and just check out some kayaking videos, some kayak fishing videos, and just fishing videos in general and just react to them with you guys. So today, I've got a really cool whitewater kayaking video. This is the 2018 Short Film Awards Winners Reel in whitewater kayaking. And this is by far the best whitewater kayaking video I think I've ever seen. They go down some amazing waterfalls and stuff in this video. Just a really awesome video altogether. But we're going to check it out and see what you guys think. I wonder why they're called send. They must send it pretty good.
We all come from different backgrounds, and it shows in everyone's style. But for all of our differences, we are united by our love of whitewater.
We formed Send 2 years ago. The time since then has been a blur of good times, both on and off the water. There have been highs and there have been lows, but we wouldn't change any of it for the world.
There's no telling what the future holds, but one thing is for sure. With great friendship comes great opportunity.
What? look at this waterfall. How big this waterfall is.
Great friendship comes great opportunity.
Like, this one wasn't big enough, right? Dude, that's like Niagara Falls. That's like sending it down Niagara Falls. That is an awesome shot. The drone up top of the waterfall like that. Killer shot. Another really awesome drone shot. I think the song really fits this reel as well. I mean, I know a lot of people probably don't like this song, and it's not really my style of music, but I think it really fits this video. Awesome shot. I mean, this looks like a double waterfall, like one and then another right back to back. Now that's pretty cool. This isn't like a crazy waterfall, but really beautiful landscape. Looks like this one would be a lot of fun. He caught friggin' air off that. Dude, that was like a backside 180. That's like what? That's like a skateboarding trick. Backside 180. Oh, it's so awesome. Barrel roll. Very cool shot right there going into the next slide. Pretty awesome. What a crazy waterfall. You go down that narrow passage like that into that monster. These guys are insane. Like, these are some of the best kayakers I've ever seen ever. Like, they're some of the best. Okay, now this looks like Antarctica, but they could be like Russia or something. This is ice cold. I don't know. These guys have some balls for sure. What a cool shot to end that video. That helicopter coming through. That was awesome. I mean, this is like 2 or 3 videos in one, but that one is definitely my favorite.
Welcome to the River. This dry riverbed is courtesy of Quebec.
Yeah, so this one is in Canada, it looks like, in somewhere near Quebec. I'm not sure what he's saying there.
1956. In 2017, bad energy management forced the dam to release water all the way through summer of 2018, letting water flow through its beautiful and committing 12-kilometer gorge. It was a unique chance to witness the Bessamit live again.
Yeah, so this is pretty cool, actually. I said the bad management or something had the dam, forced the people at the dam, I guess, to let out the water and flow through the gorge there. And I guess these guys took an opportunity to send it.
And for paddlers to navigate its powerful rapids for the first time. Maybe this footage will someday, somehow, help this mythic river regain a natural flow.
That's pretty cool. First descendants of a dried out gem. So I guess they were like the first ones to send it down this river. Pretty awesome. I love that. This song is another good one for this video. As soon as that beat drops, it's just sending it down this like monster. Really awesome shot right there. Don't try this at home. Don't find a river that the dam just let out water for the first time and then go send it unless you're a trained professional like these guys. That's a really cool shot right there too. These are like some monster currents. Not a whole bunch of really big waterfalls, but just like crazy current they're going down. Really awesome shot. Really cool shot right there. Sending it. That is an awesome drone shot with the bridge right there. And just on top of this waterfall, you see the guy getting ready to send it. Boom. He is getting beat up on that. He's getting so beat up. Yeah. As you can see, you got the dam right there letting out the water. Another really awesome shot right here. Another really awesome video. Those two are badass. I think the first one's way crazier, but this one's pretty awesome too. The music really went with the footage. Just really awesome whitewater kayaking videos. This is my favorite whitewater kayaking video. And here we go. This one is the third place winner, which this is another pretty awesome video too.
The River. She draws people from Cape Town into the mountains. But in winter, only the most daring will take on her Class 5 waters. I've always had a special bond with the river. Solitude for me is being alone without being lonely. This obsession with being alone with the river almost took my life. All it takes is one good night of rain, and you'll wake up to the ultimate challenge.
That is true. It only takes one good night of rain to change a whole entire river. I've went down some rivers that, you know, are real shallow, and then 6 months later I go down them again, and it's a totally different river.
Going solo, you have to make peace with the knowledge that something could go wrong, and that there's nobody to pull you out when it does.
Yeah, so I'm guessing this guy just went solo this whole trip, and he's right, he doesn't have somebody to pull him out or anything, so he's braving the river on his own, which is another thing I suggest don't try at home, especially if you're whitewater kayaking.
When you're on the water, you only focus on what's right in front of you. Every paddle stroke is calculated. You don't look around the next corner. You don't look behind you. But this one time, I lost my focus. A couple of rocks had shifted, and suddenly there was a siphon. It wasn't there before, but it was there that moment. I turned my back, and I got sucked in.
Yeah, you got to watch out for those siphons. One of my dad's friends actually passed away. He got sucked up under a waterfall like that. And they're out there, and these guys have to face those kind of challenges all the time, so it's very important to know what you're doing when you're doing this whitewater kayaking. And, yeah, let's keep watching.
I was trapped underwater, locked into my kayak. The only thing keeping me alive was the air bubble created by my helmet.
That's pretty crazy. The only thing keeping him alive was the air bubble created by his helmet, which if he didn't have that helmet on, he wouldn't have had that air pocket. That's pretty insane.
I had thought about this moment many times before.
Great shot right there of him up on that gorge looking down at the river. It's a great video.
And it's weird, the time really slowed down. And this strange peace came over me. But the river gifted me another chance. It's always been a game of give and take with this river. Sometimes she lets me pass through and appreciate her beauty, and sometimes she's not quite so forgiving. But I knew that I had to get back on the water. I had to win the mental battle. I needed to go back.
That was a sick drop in right there.
That day she was telling me to respect her, to respect nature, to respect life. I found a new peace with her.
Sick shot right there.
And learned to appreciate what's important. It's become something I can share with my son. He's 17 now, and he's a natural waterman. He lives for the same. Is ever evolving.
Pretty cool father and son bond right there to be able to go run rapids like that. It's pretty awesome.
Changing. That's the beauty of it. You can never paddle the same river twice.
Well, there you go, guys. That's the 2018 Short Film Awards winners reel and whitewater kayaking. Now, it's 2018 then. It's 2021 now. There's some other ones that have come out after this one, but this one is my favorite. I've seen the others as well, but this one is just insane. The rapids and the videos are just awesome. Really digging this video a lot. One of my favorite whitewater kayaking videos out there on YouTube. But anyways, thanks for watching the video with me, guys. Let me know what kind of videos you want me to react to next. I've got a few in mind that I'm going to be doing that are more involved with fishing. So be sure to stay tuned to the channel. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.